What's going on, everyone? Today we have this awesome smart charging block by Baseus to check out that's also got plugs on the side and a 4-foot cable, all in this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by our good friends over at Baseus. They reached out to see if we would like to check out their USB 65 watt charger that's got GaNIII technology. Now, this is an upgraded version of one of their older ones, so it's definitely worth taking a look at. Of course, we have all of our links and details to this charger located in the description. So first, let's head on over to the unboxing and then we'll check out the specs. This is the GaNIII Pro desktop power strip, 65 watts by Baseus. Getting it out, first we have some paperwork, our instruction manual, and some notification tags, giving you some warnings. We also have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then here is the wall plug, wrapped up with a nice cable tie, good logo branding. And right here we have the GaNIII 65 watts desktop power strip. This is really nice. So we've got a plug right here, and right here that's two wall wart plugs. Then we have two USB-C type plugs, along with a USB 1 and a USB Type 2. So all of them are rated at different speeds. And it feels really nice. It's built like a brick. The cable is very tough. It's not a cheap feeling cable. It's not thin feeling. It's very tough and rugged feeling. So I'm pretty excited to be checking this thing out. That's what you get in the box. The charger, your USB-C cable, and of course your paperwork. Now let's give it a shot and see how well it does. So the fact that this charger is loaded with all of these ports and is in such a small compact size is a huge bonus for me. Not to mention the GaNIII technology we talked about earlier. This allows them to have the same size charger as a traditional charger, but have the upgraded 3 fast charging USB ports and 2 AC ports, along with better heat dissipation than the previous GaNIII chip. So yeah, that's exactly how we're pulling off so many ports on this device. It also does a great job staying safe while you're using the ports, or every one of them at the same time. Equipped with a temperature protection, overcurrent, overvoltage, overcharge, overload, overheat, and short circuit, you're pretty much covered on just about anything that can happen. Plus, it also works amazingly fast charging my laptop through the USB-C to USB-C port. So if you have a MacBook Pro or a Windows laptop that supports charging over USB-C like the MSI Creator 15 that I use, this is a great charger to keep with you while traveling, giving you a much smaller charger than the one that came with the laptop. And of course, it works just as good. Plus, the cord is 4.29 feet, so you don't have to worry about being exactly right beside a plug like you do with other chargers. From all my devices, they all tested perfectly being charged, from GoPros, camera battery chargers, laptops, flashlights, tablets, and mobile phones. Not to mention, all my Android and Apple devices did charge at their highest speed. That being said, this is my new favorite USB-C smart charger that I'm going to be using with all of my devices. And would I recommend it to you? Absolutely. If you're looking into anything Baseus puts out, I would highly recommend it. I've always been highly satisfied with their products. And speaking of them never failing to impress us, I would also like to thank them for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. We have all of our links and details if you'd like to check out this charger or any other products by Baseus located in the description. Now don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and get in the comments letting us know what your thoughts are on this USB-C smart charger. That is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't already, me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you want to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.